Thank you for tuning in to Zanduco's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to make the Japanese dish Okonomiyaki. The featured product in today's video is our line of countertop griddles. These models are perfect for street vendors, small restaurants, bistros, and residential use. Key features include surface lengths from 16 to 30 inches and temperature ranged from 140 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. All information on these units is available on our website, so just follow the link below. Okonomiyaki is a Japanese savory pancake. Okonomiyaki translates into two words. Okonomi means how you like or what you like, and yaki means cooked. So we're going to put in what we like and how we like it. So let's start with the batter. 1 cup flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 cup of dashi broth. A staple for preparing okonomiyaki is the Japanese yam. Since we don't have any, a great substitute is 1/2 cup milk mixed with 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix these ingredients together before adding to the batter mixture. Mix while slowly adding the dashi broth, then store in the fridge to hydrate for 30 minutes. Now crack and beat 4 eggs to eventually add to the batter. Time to add what you like. So in go 3 green onions, diced. 1/2 bag of shrimp chips, crushed. Cabbage, we used 1/2 head, chopped finely. To add a little color and flavor, we added some pickled ginger, about 1½ tablespoons. This is my favorite part, the marinated chicken breast. We marinated our chicken with minced garlic, soy sauce, sugar, crushed chilies, and pickled ginger. There are so many notes to this chicken, and I highly recommend you try it. So chop up the chicken and add to a mixing bowl. Now you're ready to finish the batter by mixing the eggs into the wheat flour base. Now mix the batter into the dry ingredients. Every ingredient needs to be coated in batter, otherwise your okonomiyaki will fall apart. Now, how to cook it. Fire up the flat-top grill on high to heat up the surface. Then coat with vegetable oil and reduce to medium. Pour out the mixture. The portion size can be left up to you. Then shape with your spatula or kitchen tools you have on hand. Don't move it until the batter on the bottom half has been cooked enough to keep it all together. And flip. When it starts to stiffen, meaning the batter is cooking through the middle, cover for 2 minutes to finish cooking. But don't leave too long or your okonomiyaki will get soggy. It'll be hot when you take the cover off, so make sure you don't burn yourself. Cooking times depend on the thickness of your portion, so make sure to keep an eye on it. But anything more than 10 minutes will probably burn. Our pancake is ready, so it's time to top it. We used okonomiyaki sauce, which we made ourselves out of ketchup, Worcestershire, and soy sauce. The ratio is 3 to 3 to 1, and just smother it over the top. Next is the Japanese mayonnaise. The only difference to North American is the sweetness. So, using what we had in our fridge, we mixed regular mayonnaise with hoisin sauce. We know hoisin is a Chinese sauce, but we like it, and that's what okonomiyaki is all about. Next are the Bonito Flakes. This provides another layer of fish flavor, as well as a dried texture amongst all the sauce. We finished our okonomiyaki with some crushed chilies for a touch of heat and depth. Let us know how your okonomiyaki turned out. Follow our social media pages and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. For more details, check out Zanduco.com.